Welcome back to Passionate World Talk Radio Network, a wholly owned subsidiary for Global Media Network, LLC. Educate, enlighten, entertain. And today on Scam DamNation with your host, Lillian Cauldwell, we're going to be talking about a scam that is old as time. It's not only Microsoft, but many companies out of India are now doing it. And it's called the Microsoft scam. So what is the Microsoft scam? It's when you receive an unexpected phone call or an email from someone who claims to be working with Microsoft or a computer software company, and they claim that they have identified your computer, your laptop, your CPS, your tablet, even your cell phone, that it's being infected with a virus, and they offer to fix the problem for you. And you're in a panic stage at this point. However, in order to fix this problem, you're asked to pay a fee by providing a credit card or a debit card information. And the fix can be rather steep, $50 or more. This person is a scam artist, and he will ask for access to your computer systems and software from wherever they are located. While performing this so-called fix, they are helping themselves. You will see movement of the cursor on your computer screen, team view, share your screen. This person may even pop open a window on your screen showing all the viruses and malware that's supposed to be on your computer and that he's fixing. And that is wrong. It is false. What actually is happening is that software or malware and even virus are being downloaded to your computer. Your system files and information have now been compromised. You may not even realize that your computer, laptop, tablet, or phone has been taken over by a scam artist for days, weeks, and sometimes even months. And I'll tell you something. My former husband, who had his doctorate from Harvard, was scammed by someone like that. And I kept on telling him it's a scam, and he kept on shushing me. So I finally kept quiet. And 4 months later, he finally admitted that he had been scammed. So it doesn't matter whether you have an associate's, a bachelor's, a master's, or even a doctorate degree. These guys are good. And by downloading this information into your computer, the scammer now has watched every move you're making on your own computer. And he may have downloaded some ransomware onto your computer. You will not be able to access your computer files until you pay a ransom to the scammer, what they call hostage. And once you've paid, you still may not get access to your computer files. So what do? Well, first thing is, don't panic. The second one, number one priority, is to have a current effective antivirus software installed on your computer. Now, there are plenty of computer magazines out there, or ask Google what they consider the best antivirus protective software for your computer. In the old days, it used to be Kaspersky, but they're no longer number one. Find out what it is and invest in it. It makes a big difference. 2, when the person calls claiming to work for a specific company like Microsoft or Norton or McAfee, tell them you will call them back. Then call that company using a phone number you have verified as legitimate from a telephone book, if such still exists, or an actual company website. If you do receive an email, contact the company's customer support website and ask the company to verify that this person is actually one of their employees. And 3, if you believe your computer's infected, avoid using the internet and run a scan using your antivirus software, or contact a reputable computer repair technician or company and have them check your computer. That's why people who buy through Best Buy sign up with the Geek Squad, and you can take after you make an appointment, you'll move faster through the line. I guarantee it. Have them run a scan for you and check it out. It's worth the $5 or $10 rather than paying hundreds to a scam artist. If you live in the state of Pennsylvania, contact the Pennsylvania Office of Attorney General. And you probably can contact whatever state you're in for the Office of the Attorney General and make a report so you can protect yourself. There are other places you can contact: the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Their number is 1-855-411-2372. Their website is consumerfinance.gov/ES. Also, you can use the Internet Crime Complaint Center, www.ic3.gov, the U.S. Secret Service. And if you live in the state of Pennsylvania, the number for Harrisburg is 717-234-0214. And the number in Philadelphia is 215-861-3300. In Pittsburgh, it's 412-281-7825. And in Scranton, it's 570-346-5781. Or go to secretservice.gov and find your state's number. And if you are a charitable service or even just a regular company, Internal Revenue Service, their number 1-877-829-5500. It's URL irs.gov/charities. And they have the National Federation for Credit Counseling, 1-800-388-2237. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, and their URL is finra.org/investors/tools calculators/broker check. And the area agencies on aging, aging.pa.gov/local-resources/pages/AAA.ASPX. And those are some of the places you can contact. Your state should have it as well. Don't delay, because these people can take you for everything you have or hold you hostage. Thank you very much for listening. This program is brought to you by the Podcasting Obstacle Course. Please go over to https://educational.passionatewworldtalkradio.com/masterclass and sign up. You won't regret it. The other company is Ruby, RUBI.ai. Go check it out, https://esc73.tryrubi.ai, and get the help you know you need. And don't wait until it's too late. Thank you very much for listening. You can hear this on youtube.com/Passionate World Radio Network, _ Passionate World Talk Radio. at https://passionateworldtalkradio.com and all of our social media. Have a great week.